Ka sorkar jylla kan sapin bana no shen ya ka Judicial Inquiry Commission ban tokit halor ka Jingbthei ka par Dewiong Mynsngat thangsku ha East Jingjia Hills kabala shim ya pala lai phongut ki min simbriu laong simbut mentri rangba ka jylla uba Prestone Tynsong. Ya kani ka commission unclear de unong bishar bala shong thait but arngut ki dukhan ha ka ju kapor ka special investigation team kadang pinlong ya ka jingtohkit. Uba Prestone ulaong baladep kem bungut halor ke Dewiong Beaiñ Hadien bat ke jingtohkit kadang ïaid shakhmat. Ulapin skemru baka sorkar ke kut jingmun man pinna Pynkut no ya ke Tih Dewiong Beaiñ ha ke jylla bala batha iki bor district ban tekla kam tyngeh ya kino ki kam Beaiñ.
Like that. See, I think time and again you used to ask question to me, and I think you ask question to CM or to the honorable ministers, time and again. And our reply is what? Simply that our reply is yes, we have already instructed the district administration to please make sure that illegal coal mining be stopped at any level. So that was the decision we taken. That was the order we issued to all the district administration. But when you come back to this I should say, the saddest and unfortunate incident that has happened, as I said to you, we need to come out heavily. Now or no more. We need to come out and we have to really react very, very heavily on this incident, what has happened. Because see, more or less, when the arrest made, the issue is what? The issue is ultimately said, we are compelled to, because of livelihood. You have it? But again, when you say livelihood, from where did you get so many laborers from, from different parts of our country? So therefore, as I said to you, right now, our point is very clear. We will not allow illegal activities to happen in the state, but it has happened, as I said to you, and now the response also is very, very strongly responded by the government, and we are going to really make sure that this incident that has happened should not reoccur. As IT is different from the ambit of this commission, but of course this commission, I think the order is about to come out very, very soon, maybe tonight or maybe lately tomorrow. Okay, that because we have already decided that the Judicial Inquiry Commission has to be put up to go all the details of this illegal activities that has happened, and also the the unfortunate incident that has happened, and not less than 32, 33 people. By and large, the commission has to be headed by the retired judge, and then another two members. So let us wait when the notification comes out. Then you will be able to see exactly the members of this. SIT has been constituted by the PHQ under the direction of DGP. So now the SIT has started its duties. So let us wait till the report is submitted. From the district administration is Jingjia Hills, be it the deputy commissioner and be it the SP, they are all out to close down such illegal coal mining that has happened and which is also happening till today. And we have already strongly directed both the DC and the SP to make sure that this illegal activities again should not reoccur. That's what we have made quite a number of arrests. So now the investigation is on. We have taken all issues into consideration. Who supply the illegal explosion again? Because see, there are rules, there are regulations where you need to procure and you can procure these explosives. So all these angles has been also taken into consideration. And as I said to you, the investigation is on, and very soon we will come out, and especially the SIT has just started the job, so let us wait till then we'll be able to know externally. No, I think that is wrong to say that that people get confused. It is not at all. See, I think the first job of the MDA government then, after we taken over the government under the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister Shri Konrad Sama, I think immediately, right from 2018 onwards, we went to the Supreme Court to contest about this this disclosure of mining activities that has happened, because time immemorial, it's just like our livelihood. So ultimately, I think the landmark ruling that came out from the Supreme Court is relating to the reaffirmation, the reaffirmation of the Supreme Court that yes, in Meghalaya, the land belongs to the private individuals. So that is the landmark. Otherwise, you need to understand one thing. That time, I think even the Nationalization Act was in place, and we really have a very difficult time. Because why? Like major minerals like coal, and then like even the limestone, part of it is known as major mineral. Then any resources, mineral resources, which is treated as a national as major item, then it falls under the Nationalization Act. And in the Nationalization Act, it says that those minerals which is nationalized, no one can control, no one can stop, and no one can own it except the government, means except the union government of India. But from that day, as I said to you, the moment the ruling came out from the Supreme Court, it reaffirms that no, be it the surface of the land, or be it the underneath of the land, ownership goes to the individual, to the clan, to the CM, to the dollar, or to any individual. So therefore, ultimately after that, what happened was, then again, the government of India has already requested us that okay, mining activities can happen provided you have a proper license, a proper mining plan or mining lease approved. And as of today, in fact, a number of mining license was attained and approved by the appropriate authority, right from the Ministry of Mines, Ministry of Coal, and so on and so forth.
The scientific mining.
The scientific mining. So right now, these 3 or 4 of them, which is more or less ready, they have just started installation of the machinery, so on and so forth. But again, as I said to you, this illegal rat hole mining still taking place. So time and again, as I said to you, throughout the state, the decision taken by the government right from 2014 till today, we keep telling, we keep directing the respective deputy commissioner, district official, to make sure that illegal rat hole mining should stop. Until this moment also, we did that. But now what happened, that incident that has happened recently, again, we have specifically directed the district official of East Chandy Hills to go all out and make sure that the closure happen wherever it is located.